Hello, my most amazing artist. Today we're going to learn how to make paper beads. Now, you can either use an old magazine because we're celebrating Earth Day, right? So we can recycle and reuse by using an old magazine, or you can just use any like printer paper, copy paper. You can use construction paper and heavier paper like that. It might be a little bit harder to roll the beads if you're using a thicker paper. So use whatever paper you can find around your house. I'm just using my favorite is magazines. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm just going to rip that page out. So see, this one has a lot of color and all. If you want it to be white, that's fine. You can give one that has white and all. But I'm kind of flipping through and seeing what I can find. This one has some cool like purples and then whites and all, so that one might be interesting. So I got that one. So I've got two pieces. You really, at the beginning, I just want you to try a few beads. If you really like it, then you can use lots of pages. But you really only need a few pages to make your starter beads. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we are going to cut some strips, kind of like when we were doing the weaving. We cut some strips. Now Mrs. Scalan is just not measuring again. I'm just going to cut one long strip right now. So you can either cut the long way or you could cut the short way. There's really not a right way. You might want to try it one way and then try it the other way and see which way you like, because you might like it different. Okay, so I'm going to cut the long way this time. I am going to cut it, let me put it right here. I'm cutting it about an inch wide. You could make it a half inch, but I'm just making it an inch for easy purposes right now. So about an inch wide. Again, I am guesstimating. If you have a ruler and you want to measure, you can. But Mrs. Scalan, though I know how to measure, I prefer to just guesstimate. Okay, so you're going to cut a long strip. Now I'm going to move that piece of paper out of the way. So I've got this long strip. Yeah, it's kind of zigzaggy or whatever. It's okay. Like I said, Mrs. Scalan is not a perfectionist in her cutting. Now, so our first bead is just going to be a cylinder. So you're going to get a pencil and you're going to get a glue stick. This is all the supplies you need. Scissors, paper, pencil, and glue stick. Now, Mrs. Scalan learned the hard way. You need to open your glue stick and roll it up before you start. Okay? So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my pencil at the end of the strip that's closest to me. This might take some practice to get used to it. Okay? I am going to, wait, I don't want it to go this way. I want it to go this other way. So you want the side that you want the color of to be face down. Okay? So the white side that doesn't have as much color, I'm keeping up. The black side with all the rainbow colors, I'm keeping down. So I am going to roll. So I am going to roll, starting at the bottom of the page, and roll it around my pencil. The best, try to make sure you can see. So I am holding this, and I'm rolling it. I'm trying to roll it straight. If it's not straight, it's still gonna be good. I'm just doing the best I can. While you're learning, you need to do it slowly, slowly. So you're going to see my first bead, and you want to try to keep it all in line. But again, the more you practice, the better you'll get. And I just want you to have fun. So I'm rolling it slowly, slowly, slowly. I want to speed up so y'all don't have to watch me as long, but I'm still just rolling slowly. And I'm keeping my fingers on the paper and the pencil and just rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Okay, about right here. When you have about an inch left, take your glue stick that you already have open. Remember, you needed to have that open. You're going to rub some glue on there. You might want to have a, like your notebook or something under there so the glue doesn't get all over your desk. Roll under there. Hold it. Count to about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's bead 1. Look, it's got that cool pattern. It's got a cool pattern. Okay, I'm going to put that down to dry.